Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. The River State crisis has entered another dimension as the elder statesman and convener of the Pan Niger Delta Forum, Chief Edwin Clark, has written a petition to the chairman of the Independent National Electoral Commission to immediately conduct by-election to fill the vacant seats that was left by the Nyesom Wike lawmakers who defected from the People's Democratic Party to the All Progressive Congress. That is what we're going to talk about in this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, by Edwin Clark, an elder statesman, a former federal commissioner of information, that's a minister, a former minister during the administration of General Yakubu Gowon. He has written to the chairman of the Independent National Electoral Commission, insisting that the INEC should do the right thing, should obey the Constitution by conducting by-election to fill the vacant seats of 27 lawmakers who are widely known as the Pro-Nyesom Wike lawmakers who defected from the People's Democratic Party to the All Progressive Congress in December 2023. In River State right now, these 27 lawmakers whose defection was seen by the whole world, who also swore an affidavit that they have defected, are now saying that they did not defect and that Section 1091G of the 1999 Constitution, which demands that their seats be declared vacant, is not applicable to them, that they remain members of the PDP, that they did not defect, even when there were plethora of videos of them defecting. There is an affidavit, they swore in Abuja that they have defected. There was evidence that they were received and accepted as APC members by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu at the presidential villa when he brokered peace between the former governor of River State and now minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, Nyesom Wike, and the incumbent governor, Simi Fubara. But despite all these evidence that they have defected, they claim that they did not defect, that they are still in PDP, and that Section 1091G should not be applied to them. Based on that, they are insisting that they are the lawful State House of Assembly members of River State. They have even gone ahead to declare the seats of the lawmakers who did not defect vacant, claiming that their seats were declared vacant because of long absence from duty. Okay? And that faction is led by Martin Amehule, who is lawyer to Nyesom Wike. Now, the other faction, the other faction, which is considered the authentic faction as far as Governor Simi Fubara is concerned, and as far as Len Sikhs like Phoebe Falana and others are concerned. Made up, that one is led by Victor Okojombo. It was this faction that is made up of about 4 or so members that Simi Fubara presented the 2025 budget of about 1.188 trillion naira to for passage into law. And when Simi Fubara was presenting his budget, he made it clear that Victor Okojombo House of Assembly is the only House of Assembly in Rivers State. And Rivers State don't have 2 houses of assembly or 2 houses of assembly. There is only one, and it's led by Victor Okojombo. Now, because of all this kind of situation in which 2 houses are claiming to be the authentic legislative house of Rivers State, Edwin Clark, as an elder statesman, has to intervene by calling on the INEC to do the needful. And what was he saying? Edwin Clark is agreeing with the Simi Fubara that there is only one House of Assembly in Rivers State, and that it is the one led by Victor Okojombo. He is therefore saying that the INEC chairman and the INEC as an institution should ensure that the Constitution of Nigeria is not violated by not refusing to conduct by-election to fill the vacant seats that was left by the 27 lawmakers who defected from the PDP to the APC. And Edwin Clark, of course, is a lawyer. He cited several sections of the Constitution to show that INEC is empowered by law to conduct by-election to fill vacant seats. And he was saying that INEC will be violating its own mandate if he fails to conduct elections to fill the vacant seats that was left by the lawmakers. Okay. He cited Section 13 of the 1999 Constitution, which makes it mandatory for INEC to do the needful and conduct the election to fill the vacant seats. And he lamented a lot in that letter, reminding the INEC chairman, including reminding the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and others, that they were a product of law, that they were a product of Constitution, that they who are the product of the Constitution should not be seen to be condoning violation of the Constitution. Because come to think of it, the 27 lawmakers defected since December 2023. Now, since that time to date, their constituents obviously does not have representation. For over a year now, it is presumed that their constituents have no representation, because whatever is troubling their constituents, they don't have access to the governor to table it to the governor. They can't do nothing, because in the eyes of the governor and in the eyes of several others, they have defected. But if INEC can do the needful by conducting by-election, then this the constituents of these defected lawmakers will have the opportunity of either returning them or electing a new set of people to replace them. So Edwin Clark obviously is a sad man. He's unhappy about the state of things in River State, in the country. And he said that, in conclusion, he said that the supreme laws of the country must be obeyed if there must be a country called Nigeria. In other words, he was challenging the INEC chairman. He was challenging the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and all those who are in a position to ensure that the Constitution is defended, that they should do the needful, that they should do the right thing, and ensure that the supreme law of the country, the Constitution, is not taken for granted, that by-elections are conducted. I don't know what to think about this, whether by Edwin Clark's intervention now is going to make INEC to change its mind, or it will continue to prevaricate until River State will continue to be in this crisis until 2027. What do you say? But good enough for River State. Governance is going on. Fubara has submitted the 2025 budget. It has been passed. Governance is moving on. Governance is going on, and Rivers people, the civil servants are getting their salaries and all that. Infrastructure is being put in place and all that. But despite all that, there is always tension in the air because of INEC's decision not to do the needful. And it is to do that needful that by Edwin Clark is telling them to do. I don't know what to think about this intervention by elder statesman Edwin Clark, that INEC should conduct by-election to fill the vacant seats that was left by Nyesom Wike lawmakers. What do you think? What's your position? Let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.